Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Do you like cheeseburgers? Well, I learned of a new way to make them. Crockpot Cheeseburgers, and it's a perfect thing to eat as a way to celebrate Crocktober. So grab your crock pots, folks. Let's get cooking. Let's start by cooking up a pound of ground beef with a chopped onion and a tablespoon of minced garlic. We're gonna get that all cooked up. Grab your crock pot. I always use a liner. And add that meat. And we're gonna add 8 ounces of chopped Velveeta. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. 2 tablespoons of mustard. And a little splash of pickle juice. This is going to get cooked on low for about 3 to 4 hours. Stir about once an hour. Serve with some cheese. And some pickles. Crockpot Cheeseburgers. In all honesty, I probably could have done this whole thing in that same pan. But it's Crocktober. Let's try it. Very fun flavor. If you're a fan of Velveeta cheese, this is definitely for you. Very Velveeta-y. I'll give it a 7.1 out of 10. It's basically similar to a sloppy Joe, a cheesy Joe. I was gonna cook alligator for dinner, but then I realized I only had a crock pot.